ẹ̀yin ọkùnrin ẹ súnmọ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ wá kọ́gbọ́n o kí ìyàwó ilé kó pe ọkọ rẹ̀ kó wá kọ́gbọ́n nínú ìṣẹ̀lẹ̀ tí mo fẹ́ fi hàn yín nínú fọ́nrán fídíò yìí. Ẹ wo àwọn arákùnrin yìí àti arábìnrin yìí, àwọn méjèèjì kí ni wọ́n bára wọn fà. Ìyẹn táwọn méjèèjì bára wọn fà ẹ̀kọ́ gidi ni o. Kí n tó yọ̀ǹda rẹ̀ láti play rẹ̀ fún yín, ẹ gbọ́ àlàyé kí n rọra fún yín ní hint yẹn. Ṣé ẹ rí arákùnrin yìí, òun àti arábìnrin yìí náà jọ dòwò papọ̀, irú òwò wo ni wọ́n jọ dà papọ̀. Ni mo ṣe ń sọ pé ẹ̀yin ọkùnrin tó jẹ́ pé ẹ̀ ń bá olóṣó dòwò pọ̀, ẹ wá kẹ́kọ̀ọ́ ń bí o. Ẹ ti ẹ̀dùn náà jẹ́ ń bi yín léèrè ńjọ́ òní tẹ́ ẹ bá arábìnrin olóṣó tẹ́ ẹ bá lájọṣepọ̀ àbí tẹ́ ẹ jọ tibítibí ńgbà ẹ lo kọ́ńdọ́ọ̀mù ńgbà ẹ fi kọ́ńdọ́ọ̀mù sí. Ṣé ta ló mú kọ́ńdọ́ọ̀mù lọ, ta ló palẹ̀ kọ́ńdọ́ọ̀mù mọ́? Èyí tí ń fàjà láàrin àwọn méjèèjì nù o. Ẹ sì gbọ́ bó ṣe ń lọ. Kí ni tó ṣẹlẹ̀? Arákùnrin yìí ló bá sọ wípé òun gbé ọmọdébìnrin òun gbé lọ lé ní o, àwọn lọ rèé ṣe sọ táàmù. Nígbà wọn sì parí gbogbo ohun táwọn fẹ́ ṣe, òun wá sí àkíyèsí pé kọ́ńdọ́ọ̀mù táwọn lò ó ti mú o, ó ti fi sínú báàgì pélébé tí ń bẹ lọ́wọ́ rẹ̀, ìyẹn àpò ìléwọ́ òun. Òun wá ń sọ fún wípé mọ́ mu lọ lé, jẹ́ kémi ó palẹ̀ rẹ̀ mọ́. Ọmọ òun bá sọ wípé òun ò mú kọ́ńdọ́ọ̀mù o torí kò sí nínú báàgì tó mú lọ́wọ́, òun ti flọ́ọ̀ṣì rẹ̀ sínú tọ́lẹ́ẹ̀tì nínú ilé táwọn ti jọ jáde kúrò. Ṣùgbọ́n arákùnrin yẹn ọgbà, ó tẹ̀lé jáde o. Ó ní kó jẹ́ kóun orí òun ni wọ́n ń fà mọ́ra wọn lọ́wọ́. Ṣé lóòótọ́ ni kọ́ńdọ́ọ̀mù ń bẹ nínú báàgì? Tó bá ń bẹ nínú báàgì, kí ni arábìnrin fẹ́ lọ rèé fi ṣe? Ṣèbó sọ wípé kò sí kọ́ńdọ́ọ̀mù nínú báàgì, oríṣiríṣi wọn bára wọn fà. Ìyẹn ló mú káwọn ará àdúgbò jáde kó mọ dá sọ̀rọ̀ yìí, tí wọ́n sì ń béèrè àlàyé pé kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀, kí ló dé. Ṣùgbọ́n arákùnrin yẹn wọ́n ní kó mójú kúrò ńbẹ̀, ó ní rárá o, òun ò ní mójú kúrò ńbẹ̀. Mẹbí èyí obìnrin sọ pé òun ò mú kọ́ńdọ́ọ̀mù, pé òun ò lè gbà kó o tú báàgì òun. Arákùnrin yarí o, ó ní rárá o, òun ò wọnú báàgì rẹ̀. Tọ̀, ìwọ arábìnrin náà jẹ́ kọ́kùnrin náà wo báàgì rẹ̀. Ṣé bí pọ̀ bá lẹ́bọ lẹ́rù, ṣé ó yẹ kó mọ́ bẹ̀rù ni? Ó ní rárá o, kò lè wo báàgì òun ò mú kọ́ńdọ́ọ̀mù kankan. Ìní wọn bára wọn fà. Ẹ wá wo bọ́rọ̀ ti lọ gan ní pàtó. Ẹ wo gbogbo ẹ̀. Èdè ìbò ni wọ́n ń sọ, ṣùgbọ́n yóò kúkú yé kálukú wa ohun tó ṣẹlẹ̀ láàrin ọkùnrin yìí àti obìnrin ìyàwó méjèèjì tó ń bára wọn fà lẹ́yìn tí wọ́n jọ bára wọn lájọṣepọ̀ tán. Àwọn ọkùnrin, mo tún bi wá lẹ́ẹ̀kan sí i, kíní tá a fi ìrọ́bà dáàbòbò, ìyẹn kọ́ńdọ́ọ̀mù tá a mọ́ ń lò, bó o là á ti palẹ̀ rẹ̀ mọ́, bó o là á ti palẹ̀ rẹ̀ mọ́ bá a bá parí iṣẹ́ tán. Ṣé a kò fílẹ̀ ẹlòmíì wọ́n bá lo iṣẹ́ tiẹ̀ tán, ó lọ jù sí ẹ̀bá abì kan, ẹlòmíì ó lè gbé jù sínú yàrá. Ṣé olóṣó ni kó palẹ̀ kọ́ńdọ́ọ̀mù mọ́ àbẹ́ni tó gbé lóṣó wọlé? Ẹ já kẹ́kọ̀ọ́ nínú ohun tó ṣẹlẹ̀ yìí o. Ẹ má gbàgbé, ẹ subscribe kí ẹ sì follow kẹ́ share sí Kábíyèsí TV, kẹ́ bá lè mọ rí oríṣiríṣi àwọn fídíò tá a mú wá tí yóò sì mọ kọ́ni lọ́gbọ́n. Ọgbọ́n ń bẹ nínú eléyìí o, ẹ̀yin náà ẹ wò ó.
You can't check my bag.
Why would I
Never, you can't check my bag.
Excuse me. This is a serious matter. Just
stop.
Oga, wait.
Leave my bag.
You won't beat woman.
Let me say I won't beat am. You know what this girl do me? Leave my bag.
What's up? Why would I block me?
Now what on the video?
I say what they go talk about my video.
Okay, you don't need to shout to me. No shout to me. Leave me. Leave my bag alone. What's wrong with you?
Wait,
see what this girl do me.
Wait, stand up. What's up?
Oga, see, this is the best news.
What's up now?
It's a matter of life and death, understand?
What is the problem?
See what you understand? I like this girl, understand? Me and she can't get that day. I don't knock and finish, pay her money. That I just knock and come, understand? I can't relax. She can't remove condom from my bola. Understand? Me, I think she can't remove and enter this thing. Enter toilet. I think she don't go flush her. So they like that, she can remove. This girl will remove my condom like this. Okay, now I don't go to the toilet. As I go to the toilet, let's see. Even the pee I pee from the toilet still dirty.
As in about condom from
my brother now. Yes.
Okay, what's happening now?
So I come meet and say after where the condom. Not that I can't rush come outside because she don't already go. I come meet her on the road like this. I come outside where you keep the condom. She tell me that she don't know you. I don't get what you're saying. Is lying. I flushed it. I flushed the condom. Let me check your bag. No, you can't check my bag. You can't. Why? You can't check my bag. For what?
Okay, wait. If you say you come out condom from him, say you flush the condom. Allow him to check the bag.
No, he can't check my bag. Are you joking with my life?
You are joking with yourself.
Hello. What's your motive here now?
No, the truth is, I want him to check his bag.
He's not checking my bag. You can't check my bag. You can't check my bag.
I paid you, right?
You can't.
I paid you, right?
I'm telling you, you can't check my bag.
I paid you.
You paid me.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So I don't need your condom.
Okay, wait.
I need to check the bag. You can't. He will not check my bag.
Wait, now let's see.
I don't need you to check my bag. You can't check my bag. You can't check my bag. His belongings are not here. No, he will not touch my bag.
Okay, what happened? You, from your
Okay,
side, what
fine.
happened?
Me and him, normally, we did short time together. So he paid me.
You be a shower?
Yes, I be a shower. Now what I do? So now, you can't. Don't touch my bag. You can't.
Talk now. So, you do it, you come out with you.
Yes, okay, fine. After we finish what we did together, I happened to remove his condom. Do you understand me? So from there, I walked to the bathroom, then I flushed it.
There is no water in my house.
The guy saying water no dey.
You don't even have that right to remove this from me.
Yes,
You should remove it by yourself.
that's how he asked me to remove it from him. Yes,
You are lying.
he asked me to help him.
Let me, can I just search your bag?
You can't search my
But the
bag.
guy say he does not have water in the house. How did you flush the condom? I
Okay.
want him to check.
Okay, fine. You should check my bag, right? You can't.
Why?
I won't give you my bag.
Okay, just give it to
So you are joking. Nobody's going to check my
Okay, let me
bag.
check.
You can't.
Let me check. Okay, you check it by yourself. Check it by yourself.
When you were doing it, now you paid me.
In the matter of land and death.
No, let him video. No, let him video.
Why not? Let another person check.
My bag
Go and show that woman. Go and show that person.
Can I check?
Show that woman. Show that
Let me check.
Why do
Before
you
you
go
check
with
my
someone
bag.
Are you joking with my life?
I'm joking with your life. When you were doing it, did you ask me if I'm joking with your life? Did you?
Let me just check your
Sister,
bag.
this is very simple.
Please, sir. Please.
You remove my
Please, with
condom.
all due respect, please respect
There's no water in the
yourself.
house to flush. Then you carried it.
Respect yourself.
Let me take this back.
Nobody's touching my bag. Nobody's touching my
Collect this
bag.
back.
No, nobody's touching my
Guys,
bag.
collect this back.
Give me my bag. Give me my bag.
Give you about what's it?
Jesus!
This gonna kill her. This gonna kill her. This gonna kill her.
I'm trying to relax. No worry, guy. Relax now. Baba, relax first. Relax.
Why are you like this, my young woman? Why are you like this?
Relax. Where you come? Baba, relax now. Calm down. Let me bring the issue now. Relax. Please calm down first. Oh, yeah, you don't get right to slap her. You don't get right. I say you don't get right.
Come, when do they do touch the condom?
Jesus Christ.
You know what happened here? So
Baba, relax now. Relax. We try to arrange this thing.
Come.
Calm down now.
Oh yeah, what do they do all these things?
The bag. This whole thing is
See another one. Collect all this one.
Baba, collect.
Come. Oh yeah, come explain. Oh boy, this thematic. You take it like a brother and come. You like say you don't come this place
For me, I don't kill you for you.
you do.
when you come. I said
You don't have for me, I don't kill you for you.
okay. I don't want. Oh yeah, come explain. What do they do all these things?
Come. I don't want them to handle this way. Relax, stand up. Come. What do you do with all this?
You dey pet this talk.
Baba, relax now.
See.
Baba, calm down. Calm down.
So you make
Jesus.
Oh yeah,
Baba, relax now. See, you cannot do it this way. You understand? No. You don't have the right. Let's find out first. You don't act like this guy. Baby guy, man. I'm not petting.
not a pet
I'm not
talk.
petting.
What do they do?
Relax now. I'm not petting. I said you can't act like this guy, man. I will carry on and go flush.
That's a carry everything.
To handle this thing.
That's a carry everything.
This way they talk. You don't want to see. You go make it better. Now this talk, no be talk. They talk. They follow slow. When you what do they do? All this talk.
Now wait till I find out. Calm down, but you don't get the truth.
My God.
Baba, you don't get the truth. You
no go get the truth.
Fuck up. What did they do with all these things?
See, you got
what did they do with them?
Call police.
I ask you a question. What did they do with the team? They
Baba, relax. I tell you, no, don't worry. Don't worry. Baba, no. If you do like this, we take law into our hand.
What's my business?
Baba, relax. Where the guy?
I don't know motor. Move go motor. Move they go.
I don't believe any of them.
Move they go.
Baba, okay, go inside, go station.
Move they go.
Enter motor.
Leave me.
I said 2 of them are going to station now.